Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, it's a major boost for the local medical ganja industry. A US-based research entity is partnering with Northern Caribbean University to improve supply capabilities. I'll give you all the details later in the business day.
All right, thanks, Herman. And from Herman, we go to Jordan Ford. What's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, the JFF is hoping it won't have to dig deep into its pockets after withdrawing from the ongoing CONCACAF Under-15 Championship. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what are some of the solutions to improve parking arrangements in major towns?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.